Hi and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo and today this is a take 2 look. It's not an makeup, it's a take 2 of Incineroar. Now, I remember whenever I first did that look, it was a rough day. It was a rough day for doing that look. And I was so... okay, it was just not good. Like, just being 100% honest, it was not good. My lips were a mess, my eyes were a mess, I was a mess, my highlighter was too dark, and now I'm just like, ooh, 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 who is she? Ooh, 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 kill him. Plus, I also like that now Incineroar is actually a little more popular thanks to Smash, so, like, I was ahead of my time. Honestly, I'm just really happy with how this came back to me, and I'm going to stop rambling so you can get into this video, so let's roll that new intro. Okay, so let's get started, and I already took care of doing my eyebrows, which I actually did from a different video, and I just didn't remove them completely whenever I had to switch between videos. And I did prime and set my lid, and today I used sand from the Flamingo palette, and we're going to use the Flamingo palette. And the first thing I'm going to dip into is Lemonade. I'm going to use this fluffy end of a brush from NYX and buff that very high above my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take Popsicle and blend that also high above the crease. So now I'm going to dip into Sandals to really deepen up this color again. And again, we're just going to be going directly under that last shade. Okay, so I'm going to take a different brush, go into the same shade just to help deepen it a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush and just blend. Now I'm going to dip into Sunny's, which is this black, very pigmented black, and I'm going to place it on the outer and inner corners of the eyes, slightly into the crease. Not so much into the crease this time. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild. This is the new Liquid Hatsude Creme Liquid Eyeliner, Liquid Eyeshadow in Camelback. I'm going to use that to cut the center of my eye. Oh, fuck. Oh. And I'm going to heavily have to wash this contact tonight. Okay, so before I go to my other eye, I'm going to grab Ruddy by MAC. I'm going to place that right where I cut the center of my lid. So I'm going to do the same thing on this eye, and what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take that black Sunnies and bring it up a little bit more to match with Ruddy. And I'm also going to go off camera, do lashes, liner. No, I'm not gonna do liner. Lashes, mascara, full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. Glowing, glowing. And today I used the Amarazi highlighter and the Earth highlighter from the Zodiac collection with Wet n Wild. And gosh, I know I said it in. Oh no, wait, I don't know which video is going up first. Either way, I think I found my new favorite setting powder, Wet n Wild. Y'all, I always like. Everyone sleeps on Wet n Wild, I'm just like, let me tell you, this is good. Also, love how the eyes are turning out. Time to go back to them. So, I am actually going to mirror what I did for the halo like look. So I'm going to take Sunny's and pop it back under here, and then take Ruddy and pop that right there. And like always, I just like saying what I'm going to do beforehand, so I don't have to like go like stop and continue. Just get it all done. Okay, so to blend that out to make it a little bit softer, I'm going to take Popsicle and blend. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of sand just to help neutralize the under eye, because right now it's looking very crazy to me. So I'm just going to take a little bit of sand. This looks so much better. I'm loving it. So I'm going to take my highliner and fine line and run that in my water line real quick. For the inner corner, I'm going to take Pineapple, which is a nice gold, and pop that right in the inner corner. That is very bright, and I love it. So now we're going to move on to the lips. So I'm quickly going to line my lips using my Everlasting lip liner in Scully. Okay, and I did do a few of those little extra accents, I cannot speak today, to add on to the lips, to add a little definition. And for lipstick today, I'm going to be using my Fenty Stone Lip Paint in Uncensored. And I'm going to be blending using a Real Techniques. This is their lip blur brush, and I'm going to be using that to help blend these two colors. Okay, I'm going to real quickly clean up the bottom lip a little bit, and then we're going to be setting our face using my Collab setting spray and also just laying my hair down. I'll be right back. Okay, so I did just clean out the bottom lip, but before I set my face, I'm going to take a little bit more of that ruddy shade and just pop it on. There we go. Now I'm going to set my face, lay down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the finished look, and oh my gosh, hold on, let me turn down the brightness a little bit. There we go. Oh my gosh, I love how this turned out. Oh my gosh, so this was one of the first looks I knew I had to do if I did like a redo series. So I was like, yes, okay. This is back to what I wanted this look to look like originally instead of the shit show it was. Because like I remember I was losing sunlight, I was trying to get any light I could, and it was not nice. No, it was not nice. And I remember, oh my gosh, I remember why I was able to do it, because my family went to the Pro Bowl, and I was like, I had the house to myself, except for one cousin who, she's awesome, yo. I was like, you know what, let me do this. And, okay, don't know what that is. I think that's a little bit, okay. Actually, you can't even see it on camera, great. Looks like I have Orion's belt right here. And I think Yeah, that's just some setting spray that balled up. So fun. But aside from that, I love how this turned out, and I think I over highlighted. That's why it's like reflected central right here. And oh my gosh, this is what take two is really for. So that way I can show you that, hey, I had an idea. I just didn't know how to do it. And oh my gosh, I'm so happy with how this turned out. Especially like the eyes is what I'm loving the most, but I'm also just like, ooh girl, this lip. Hold on, let me get this. Because I can barely see. There we go. This lip, oh my gosh. This is what I live for. And oh my gosh, I'm just like, this is perfect. I'm sorry, I'm just like so happy for myself. I'm ready to cry. But if you did like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like me, you want to see more, please do subscribe and click this little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I just want to say thank you for watching, especially if you were here whenever I did this look originally, because girl, times have changed. Oh my gosh. Again, just thank you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.